In this video, I'm going to explain how you can deposit money into your Payoneer account. So essentially, Payoneer acts as a middleman. So if you want to deposit money, you want to click on Get Paid, and then you select Receiving Accounts. Right here, you have to have an approved account if you want to receive money. So after you have an approved account, you want to click on View Details. Now from the View Details tab, you will get all of the information needed that you will require to send money to your account. So like I said, it's going to act as a middleman. And after you copy this information from clicking View Details, you want to use something like Wise to send your money. So if you want to make a payment to yourself, then like I said, I suggest using Wise. And basically from here, you can deposit the money into Wise. And from Wise, you will use these bank details that you have to send money into your Payoneer account. So it is like a middleman. So that's how this works. That's how you deposit money into your Payoneer account. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.